Welcome back to Cutoff Repairs. How do you know you have a bad AC pressure switch? So what is the purpose of the AC pressure switch? The AC pressure switch is basically a safety device to protect the AC compressor. When pressure is either too high or too low, the AC pressure switch is going to deactivate the AC compressor to prevent it from burning up. What are the symptoms of a bad AC pressure switch? Well, the first symptom is that the AC is going to be blowing warm air. If the AC pressure switch is faulty or you have a connection issue or wire issue, the AC compressor will not engage. Therefore, the AC will blow warm air again. Now, if the AC pressure switch is intermittently failing, then you may notice that the AC may be blowing inconsistent cold air. For example, if you're driving and the AC only works for like 10 minutes, then it stops working for another 10 minutes, and then it works again for 5 minutes, then it stops working, and again it works for another 20 minutes, that could be a sign of a failing AC pressure switch. Another sign of a failing AC pressure switch is when the AC is blowing warm air and you hear rapid clicking noise coming from the compressor. That could be a sign that the AC pressure switch may not be working properly. When the AC pressure switch is faulty, it's going to trigger the check engine light, and you're going to get codes for P0530 to P0533. How many pressure switches are there on an AC system? In the AC system, there is two pressure switches. There is the low pressure switch and there is the high pressure switch. The low pressure switch is to detect leaks in the AC system. If there's a leak in the AC system, then there is little to no refrigerant in the AC system. When there is little to no refrigerant, this can cause the AC compressor to run dry and cause it to burn up. This is why the low pressure switch will deactivate the AC compressor when there is little to no pressure in the AC system. It is important to fix a leak in the AC system. If you can't find the leak in the AC system, they do make a kit that comes with a UV light, a special goggle, and UV dye. Now, what is the purpose of the high pressure switch? Well, the purpose of the high pressure switch is to detect high pressure in the AC system. You do not want to have too much pressure in the AC system because this is extremely dangerous. This can cause the AC line to blow up. This can cause your AC compressor to fail. This can cause massive leak right at the O-ring in the AC system, and so on. So when pressure is too high in the AC system, the high pressure switch is going to deactivate the AC compressor. How do you test the AC pressure switch? For this, you might need a wiring diagram, and you also need to determine if you have a 2-wire, 3-wire, or 4-wire AC pressure switch. For this vehicle, this is a 4-wire pressure switch. I have set the voltmeter to ohms at 20K. Now I am checking for continuity. As you can see, I moved the test lead to check for continuity. So right here, there is continuity. So I know this high pressure switch is working fine. If you have doubts how to test it, again, always get a wiring diagram to do things the right way. I hope you found this lesson informative. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Repairs.